Last time on SV Full Send, we cleaned the bottom of the boat with a hookah system, do some spear fishing, and then we head to Snipe Point just north of Key West with our friends on Asante.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Explain to us what we're doing here.
Well, these are called ballyhoo. It's a pretty cool word. I don't know who came up with it, but whoever did was a madman, and they pre-hooked these things inside without stitching the belly.
Sewed it up
Through
alive.
the jaw. Then they finished it off with some stainless steel wraps. Put it onto this leader, clip it onto the reel, and like, I don't know, about 800 mahi come our way. Guaranteed. Set it on the bag.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to lose one at a time. I'm not gonna lose all three the first 5 minutes of the day. And let's see what happens.
Adriana's joined the crew of Asante for the week. These guys are headed up to Tampa after the weather gets better. We got a big storm coming in tomorrow.
Another fun day out in Key West. Been doing a lot of ices last 24 hours.
I think we did over 12 last night.
Yeah. Might
Really
have
got to it.
diabetes. We're not sure yet.
Might have to switch to just beers and shots for just overall health.
No.
But we don't mind drinking.
No. We'll keep
Get
drinking
paid
if
to
you
drink.
send them.
We're on the job.
And we have a new $100 patron, Connor account.
Yeah.
And so he really wants to shave things into my hair.
Yeah. And he wants me to shave it into his hair.
Because all the barbers are closed. But,
So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
and if you haven't liked and subscribed to our channel, please do so now.
Yeah,
We're trying to get to 1,000.
Gotta get 1,000 and 4,000 hours washed before we can start making money off this stuff. So.
Yeah, so you see that
Hope
there's
so.
no advertisements on this. That's because we're not making any revenue off it. When you
Yeah.
get, we're trying to get to that point. So your click up in the corner
Hook
really
us up.
does help. All right, more to follow.
All right, we got the rods out.
Doing just kind of top water. I don't know if you can see it out there. Waiting for the ballyhoo once we get to deeper waters. We're still only in about, I think, 9 meters is what Hans said. But yeah, sun's starting to come out. Howdy ho.
Yeah,
Cheers.
we're 1 nautical mile from fish.
Yes.
No luck with the ballyhoo, so we decided to grab a mooring ball and try out some spear fishing and snorkeling.
All right, let's just call it a nice sail day.
Swimming.
Caught nothing on the lines.
The fish.
Caught nothing on the lines. The fishing is outsmarted us.
We did catch a mooring ball though.
We took down the U.S. flag that made it all the way from Greece to Florida on Asante. Matt plans on framing the flag.
Put 8,000 miles of freedom looks like right here.
Alright, so finally decided to get our AIS working. A lot of wires, trying to figure out how to connect the power, and then the whole NMEA Nemo 0183 versus 200. But then reading into this, and I guess why we originally bought it was because it does Wi-Fi. And so we eventually want to get the iPad, which we're pretty sure we can just get our Navionics app on here, and then the GPS signal from the AIS will shoot onto here and display all the boats in the area. So that'll work because our old one crapped out. So it's just been a pain trying to figure all that out, but if we're going to do the Wi-Fi, we don't have to actually wire anything up, because normally you can get all the other systems. We should be able to get this chart plotter and all the other things, the autopilot, connected into one. That's why we had bought the Raspberry Pi originally, wherever that's at. But yeah, so had some issues with it. Instagram's been really good talking with the ACR folks. They connected me with all the technicians. Had to update this firmware. Where's the little device? Here it is. With a thumb drive, download it offline. Had to plug it in here and turn it on. Wasn't doing the right LED sequence, but they said it was fine now. And then I was finally able to connect the Wi-Fi onto the phone, input the MMSI number. MMSI is like the ship station. Had to pay $200 with the FCC to get a new one because there was an old German one on here, and this one kept dropping it. So got that inputted, and it's just taking a really long time to config right now. Once that goes, I should be able to see us on marine traffic. I'm going to test to see if this works on the iPad with Navionics, being able to pull it up. And then, actually I might even be able to turn the Raspberry Pi on and get the Wi-Fi from it. But then we got to go and mount the GPS antenna, and I actually have to mount this, screw it into here. So a whole mess of stuff to do, and then properly wire it up. Because I got it attached to the fridge right now in there for the power. But lots to do. Eventually we'll go down the line and probably connect it all once we learn a little bit more about marine electronics. But for now, this should work, and we should have AIS capability before we make this crossing over to Mexico. So, yeah. Alright, take it easy.
This is Brittany. She's visiting us for, who knows, a couple of days, maybe a week, who knows. Some storms are coming through, but we decided to buy some booze, and we got this little contraption. Hold on, it's a...
At your local naval exchange.
Yeah, the naval exchange, and it is a breathalyzer. So we're gonna...
We've had a few drinks. So now we're gonna take the alcohol breath and push it into here.
I think I
20
took all the
seconds.
salt.
Oh shit.
Look at that. Is that the salt coming up?
There's salt. I took a half.
Do it again?
Salt.
Yeah, look at that.
I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it. If the color green passes over the red line, you're over the legal limit.
Oh, I see the green. Mine's green for sure. Look how green mine is. My whole thing's green.
How's that? Good to drive.
All right, guys, we're finally gonna go explore in the dinghy after we got it registered about 2 weeks ago. But we have Brittany on, and we're about to go to the sub pens, which may or may not have been for submarines, but mostly it was just a housing development.
Cooler when it's
sounds cooler. But we're gonna go do that, do some spear fishing, and do the rope swing. So it should be some fun.
Oh shit, yeah, I forgot about the rope swing.
Yeah, the rope swing's there. So we're gonna go have some fun. Let's kick it.
Let's get it.
Whoop whoop. No, I have video. She had the painter, and
We almost got a prop wrap.
she almost prop wrapped it.
It kind of looks sexy up on the boat.
Put it to the other side of you. Pull it. No, pull it.
It's on the front of the boat.
It's on the front. So there you go. There you go. All right, now we're good. One job.
Put the leg up.
Yeah.
All right, so we tried to find the rope swing, and it was on a dead tree. And then we're following this other group, and we're like, oh, we'll go down one of these other sub pens. It's just like 6 of these little inlets here.
And Brittany was able to spot
And look who found it.
Look who found it.
A capable woman.
But she's too scared to try and do it herself.
Can you guys go first?
Yeah, I don't want to go first.
I'm the lightest one out of the group, but...
I don't want to die.
Oh,
Would you call that a smart move? I think so.
Logically speaking, you're the best one to try it.
not empathetic, not compassionate.
Only worried about Brittany.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Brittany's world. We're all just living in it.
Excuse me.
Brittany explains it all.
Who, me?
But yeah, and then there's a shit ton of mangrove snapper. Check this out.
1, 2, 3, go.
There you go.
It'll fit bottom a little.
And
If you slow mo, you can always.
And action.
Shut up. Do it again. Do it again. Hold yourself up. Nice.
All right, Alan. 1, 2, 3.
Drop. Hurry. That was good.
That's a little bit better.
That was great. That was way better.
Better.
We had a successful day of rope swinging, and now we're headed back.
yeah, rope swinging. No fish. No fish.
No fishies.
No fish.
The best day though. The best day. So nice.
We made it successfully back.
We did it.
A good day.
All thanks to me.
Totally Brittany.
All thanks to me. No one else.
We're so stupid that without Brittany we couldn't.
You can't do anything. You can't get anything done. Too much bickering.
And we're listening to the Interstellar soundtrack. Now I want to watch the movie.
And we will.
We will.
We'll have a movie night.
How many billions of dollars has NASA spent to save Matt Damon from doing something stupid? So it's Monday, we're going exploring, checking out a beach out here. And Breadman's End of the Earth as well. So finally putting the dinghy to good use.
Yeah.
Not a bad Monday.
Brought some extra gas just in case.
Yeah, and there, got our cooler.
Got our oar.
Got our oar just in case.
Or just in case we're gonna paddle it back.
Beach is pretty nice. Got a couple other people with us over there. Pretty white sandy, better on the feet than the one at the marina, but
Yeah, full of those Cassiopeia jellyfish.
yeah, it's nice and clear.
It was more like this.
So pretty successful day, better than yesterday where we did pretty much nothing, but this little island was, or beach was great. Storm, looks like a storm's coming in, so we couldn't check out Dead Man's End of the World. But had a good time.
Smokiness in the air. It's not just precipitation. Or just
Cuba.
Sugar cane.
It's not. No, it's not humidity in there. It's got to be the Cubans burning the cane fields. Rick, if you're watching, we're not going on, but we're looking at it. You were completely justified.
Maximum security. Add it up. There we go. Way to put it on straight with the rest of them.
Give a sentence or two of your time, what you thought.
I had a great time rope swinging. I had a great time finding people's things that they lost. I had a great time wearing so many hats and doing so many jobs. But my favorite was spending time with them, and you're the best. I love you guys.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and help support us on Patreon.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.